It is day 31 of our truck build, and it is very much still a build. Did not finish by day 30, but here we are. This is where we're up to this morning. I think goals for today, I'll just show you where we're all up to, give you a bit of a walkthrough. I was really quite unhappy with the shower yesterday, but I think it's come up better than I thought. Still got to put the hardware in, still got to paint and stain. Obviously it needs a good clean. And I've got a tinted mirror, glass privacy screening on that as well. But yeah, come up better than I thought. Sturdiest shit house in Australia, I'm sure of it. But I think sort of major priority today is get these back doors clad and probably hung. That's where we're up to. Tom is still out walking Wimbles, doing their 5 to 10 Ks that they do every day. But I'll start with a bit of a clean up. And apparently my cushions for this area are coming today, so that'll be great. I can actually have a look at them before I build the bed base, which would be a bit of a luxury. But yeah, I'll have a bit of a tidy up and then getting on. I think Tom's finishing out the grey water and we're working on door framing. Just trying to get to the point where I can just get the paint out once more and where I can get the polish out once more. So trying to get everything done before instead of just painting and polishing every little bit we do. It'll be a bit more efficient. Probably should have started that about 30 days ago, but anyway. This is where we're at today. I really love this wall. I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful when it's polished up. Be a nice spot to maybe put my maps or towel racks or something. But it's a bit of a luxury to have a full wall, because you don't often get, walls that don't have something on them in motorhomes or caravans. There's only a couple in the bus as well, but yeah, I think it'll come up really lovely. Finally some cladding going on these outside door frames. Just that much done and only this much to go. The first load of washing going through the washing machine, just having a bit of a test run to see how much water it all uses and things, so we know our capabilities. The quick wash I think should only use about 20 litres, so not too bad, but we'll see how we go. It's this wall done. Okay, that's the internal wall all clad, and I think it looks actually Mickey Mouse outside, so I'll come out and show you. I think it looks rather pretty from the outside now. I'm just gonna put the door jamb frame and hang a couple of big doors off there. And meanwhile, Tom's custom fabricating some gas bottle mounts, hinged ones. And here's our vented box that the gas bottles have to go in, so they're all safe from exhausts and things. Did have word from the gas fitter today. Hopefully 7 days from now we should have gas. Fingers crossed, hope to die, but in the meantime we'll just tick off with everything we can, and hopefully we won't be waiting too long for him to arrive. Okay, I think it's the end of the day. It's quite a cold one. The wine glass is calling. I just can't believe the difference that has sort of made. And I'm taking it outside and I'll show you from the outside, because I think it's something starting to look a little bit like someone might actually live here now, or about to live here. But obviously building supplies everywhere, but take you for a little walk through. Really starting to get a feel for this space. Still plenty to do, still overheads and kickboards, and still got a lot of sanding and puttying, and these big doors I think are going on tomorrow, and then the fridge has to go in here, and the alley bed has to go there, and And put some overheads up there and some overheads along here. And maybe something across the back there, just a little narrow tray or rack or something. Still got to do kickboards with the little storage baskets under there. Back to the freight saga, the cushions that I ordered for across here, apparently 3 were delivered on the 17th and 1 today, but I haven't received any, but Global Freight reckon I've got them, so thanks Global Freight. Continue that fight tomorrow, but I'll just take you outside and show you from the outside in what it's looking like now. Who would have knew a little wall and a door frame, by the way it's not staying white, it will of course be black, could make such a difference into framing up my space. Just really does start to look a bit like a house now. And I really didn't think I'd like that wall being there, but it kind of adds a dimension, especially when I put a black fridge and a black couch in front of it. Really starting to look like a home now. I think it's starting to feel the vibe. And I want an apology and maybe a beer from everyone who doubted my black box, because look at that. You don't even notice how black the black box is anymore.